Today we're going to talk about what you can do to protect your fish if you are having a predator problem. What's up guys, it's Jack from Atlantis Water Gardens. Today on You Ask, We Answer, we're going to talk about fish caves in your fish pond. So one of the reasons you're going to want a fish cave in your pond is to protect from predators. Number one, it's going to give the fish a place to go and hide if there is a predator at the pond, and this way they'll be safe. Another thing is they'll be able to get out of the sun, so if it's going to be a really hot day or a couple days, they'll have somewhere to go where they're not sitting out in the full sunlight. Now today we're in our training center here. This is our sandbox. The guys are putting a pond in. I wanted to show you the pond edge before we go ahead and put this cave in. So when we do the excavation, you can see we've got our shelves cut in. Over here is where we're going to put our fish cave. So we have the side of our excavation open. Mike is going to carve out where the fish cave is going. You can see there's a shelf coming through here. Right in the middle of the shelf, we're going to cut right down to the bottom of the pond, just slightly higher than the bottom of the pond, so that when the cave is installed, the water is able to get out when we're cleaning the pond. Now that we've got our excavation done, the fabric, then the liner are going to go into the pond, and then we're going to put our fish cave material in. Let me show you what we use. This is called ADS road pipe. It's a double wall pipe, smooth wall on the inside. It's got ridges on top. This is actually a structural pipe used for storm sewers under roadways. Strong stuff. What we're going to do is we're going to cut this pipe about 2/3 of the way down, and it's going to look something like this. So now when we put it in the bottom of the pond, it's sitting on a flat surface. The fish can go inside here. We're going to rock up around this so you can't see it. This is a small pond, so we're using a small piece of pipe. Our liner's ready. We're going to put a piece of fabric in the bottom before we put the piece of pipe in. So you can see this pipe kind of sharp on the bottom. We don't want to put that directly on top of the liner. So the fabric's going to protect the liner from the bottom of the pipe before we put that in. Our pipe is in, which you can see behind me. Now we can start rocking. What we want to do is disguise the fish cave completely, so you can't see it when you're looking inside the pond, but the fish can just disappear inside the cave and come out. Cool effect. Okay, cool. We have a fish cave. As you can see, if you're looking down from the top of the pond, all you see is rock work. You've got this cool hole right here. Fish can swim in and out of it. We'll actually put some gravel in here. Now we can finish rocking in our pond the rest of the way, and our fish cave is in place. So that's all I've got for today. Hope you learned something today about fish cave installations and how they work and what the benefit is for your pond and for your fish. If you enjoyed what you saw here today, please subscribe, hit that like button, leave me a comment. Tell me what else you'd like to hear about on You Ask, We Answer.